Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Plantronics Bluetooth device. First, make sure your Plantronics headset is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the pairing process. A full charge typically provides several hours of talk time. Next, power on your device. You'll usually find the power button on the side or bottom. Ensure it's not already connected to another phone or computer, as this can prevent new connections. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup. Now, let's get your Plantronics device into pairing mode. This is the only way your phone or computer will be able to find it. Look for a dedicated pairing button, or sometimes you'll hold the power switch in an on position for an extended period. Press and hold this button for about 5 to 7 seconds. You'll know it's in pairing mode when the indicator light starts flashing red and blue or rapidly blue, signaling it's ready to connect. With your Plantronics headset now in pairing mode, it's time to find it on your phone or computer. Go into your device's settings and navigate to the Bluetooth menu. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then, initiate a scan for new devices. This process usually takes a few seconds. You should see your Plantronics device's name, often starting with PLT or Plantronics, appear in the list of available devices. Finally, to complete the connection, simply tap or click on your Plantronics device's name in the list. Your phone or computer might ask you to confirm the pairing. Accept any prompts. Once successfully connected, you'll typically hear an audible confirmation in your headset, like phone 1 connected, or the indicator light will turn solid blue. Your Plantronics device is now paired and ready for calls or audio, providing clear sound for up to 10 meters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.